Greetings everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a discussion about Flair.ai. Flair.ai, a platform that represents the pinnacle of AI-driven creativity. With its intuitive interface and powerful algorithms. Whether you're a digital artist looking to push the boundaries of your craft or a marketing professional seeking to create compelling visual content, Flair.ai offers a diverse array of tools and features to suit your needs. It uses various AI algorithms to design images for advertisements, e-commerce businesses, or online websites. Let's begin by clicking on the Start button, and then proceed to log into your email account. Now click on Create New Project. Please upload the image you'd like to change the background of here. And then proceed by clicking on the Generate button. Now observe how elegantly it transforms the background of the item. If you wish to upload another photo, simply upload the new photo and repeat the same process. Now witness the graceful transformation of the second photo's background. Now you're acquainted with the entire process from start to finish, showcasing how images can be transformed beautifully. To download the selected image, simply right-click on it and choose the Download option to save it to your computer. If you wish to upload a photo from your laptop and make changes to its background, you have the option to do so as well. Now simply click on Upload Photo. Select the desired image from your laptop, and then proceed to click on Generate. This will provide you with a stunningly transformed photo. Observe how it effortlessly transforms a basic image into a stunning background. This demonstrates how easy it is to utilize Flair.ai, making image editing a seamless and straightforward process. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for latest videos.